Hi, my name is Chris Eckstein. This is General Chemistry 1 through Doane University. This is week 3 of my Volcano lab. The date is 6/8/2019. Today we will be performing an acid-base reaction with baking soda and vinegar. Mixing them together and seeing what happens, and then explaining why this happened. So for this lab, we will need a plastic bottle that is empty, um, some baking soda, and vinegar. Um, I will be taking the baking soda and applying it onto a paper towel or tissue, if you will, as you can see there, that I just did. I'll be now wrapping up the tissue paper with the baking soda inside. A ball, and then placing it inside the plastic bottle, like so, if you can see that. Next, I'll show you this. I'll be pouring the vinegar into the plastic bottle and seeing what happens. So, just to give a view, taking the vinegar now, pouring it into the plastic bottle. So, obviously we're seeing some bubbles forming and foaming to the top pretty aggressively. It's now simmering down, but you can really see the bubbles formed there. Pretty much what we have going on is an acid-base reaction along with a decomposition reaction. So, to start, the baking soda and the vinegar react with each other because of an acid-base reaction. The baking soda is a bicarbonate and the vinegar is an acetic acid. One of the products that these two make when reacting with each other is carbon dioxide, which you can see from the bubbles forming to the top of the bottle. The baking soda, a sodium bicarbonate, each molecule of baking soda contains a sodium atom, a hydrogen atom, an oxygen atom, and a carbon dioxide molecule. The vinegar contains an acetic acid. Each molecule of which contains a hydrogen atom and an acetate ion. When combined, the hydrogen atom in the acetic acid meets up with the hydrogen atom and the oxygen atoms in the baking soda to form a molecule of water, while the acetate ion grabs onto the sodium atom and forms a salt, sodium acetate. The carbon dioxide molecule, free of all the bonds now, can then escape in a bubble form of gas to the top of the bottle. So we first saw the acid-base reaction with the baking soda and vinegar creating carbonic acid and sodium acetate. And then the second reaction that we saw was a decomposition reaction where the carbonic acid formed as a result from the first reaction immediately begins to decompose into water and carbon dioxide gas. Like, again, from the bubbles that you clearly can see rising to the top. Once, though, the limiting reactant being the baking soda is gone. The reaction does not occur anymore, to which now we just have a bottle full of vinegar and probably some essence of baking soda inside the tissue that is now uh, soiled in there. Overall, I believed this reaction went well. Um, no really problems with it. Baking soda was clearly being able to be seen reacting with the vinegar. I don't believe any sort of better reaction could have maybe occurred. I could have maybe added more baking soda to cause a larger reaction, but I didn't really want to create a mess. Um, there might be some differences in maybe like the branding of the vinegar, but uh, vinegar is essentially vinegar through all brands. I mean, there might be some little chemical differences that you might see in different experiments, but overall, I thought this was a well done experiment. And uh, my name, just to reiterate again, was Chris Eckstein. This is General Chemistry 1 through Doane University, uh, the Week 3 Volcano Lab, date 6/8/2019. Thank you.